Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word nosing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The detective spent hours nosing around the crime scene, searching for any clues that could help solve the case. Nosing refers to the act of investigating or searching carefully and in a thorough manner, typically done in a cautious and deliberate manner. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.